the final reveal. This is it. We wrapped it up. So let's bring him in here. Try and keep my own shadow out of here. Here he comes. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's get him from track 3 to track 2. See if we can get him on to track 2 here. Directional headlights. Love the blue ground lights. Very nice. See if we can bring him on down track 1. We'll zoom in on track 1. Okay, let's go on over to track 1. I did a little work on track 1, not much, but a little bit. And so now, what I want to show you, let's zoom in on them and check out the lighting effects. This is a DC, but it is totally DCC ready. There's the lights. Okay, you guys want to see some slow speed? I know there's a lot of people who love really slow speeds. So let's see what we can do. Is that slow enough for you in DC? That's the Revolution 1 motor. How's that for slow? You like that slow? Let's bring him back. Okay, now let's zoom in. Let's go a little slow. Comes the lights. Is that slow enough? Let's go ahead and hold on right there. I can put just enough power to light up the lights because of our capacitors. I put a snowplow on it. Oyster tin, of course. Yeah, it's a little dark. I probably should turn on some lights if we want to see that. We got a snowplow going on. Okay, that right there is a snowplow made from oyster tin. Pretty sweet, huh? Got the couplers. Couplers are all set. We're going to go check these couplers out right now at the magnet. There's our magnet. Let's bring it over. Okay, let's take a look. Now let's back off. See that? Let's check it again. Perfect. It opens for magnetic uncoupling. Let's take the height gauge. This is kind of on a hump right here. But let's go over the hump. Okay, now if we are right, then that pin right there, the trip pin, will not touch. There we go. It's above the little step there that tells you that you're not going to hit anything. So that's pretty good. So let's go ahead now. Let's check the back one. Let's check this guy on the back side. Okay. Let's turn on another light. Okay. Now, there. Okay. Is he open? Looks open to me. Did he close again? Now let's just check that. Here you go. He opens. So the guy on the backside can do see that? Magnetic uncoupling. Good to go. Let's check the rear headlight. Nice. Lights are looking good. I'd say we're calling it. That is a good running, nice locomotive right there. Now it's going to get boxed up, and then when it gets home, handrails will get put on. Okay, so how did I solve the problem of mounting an Athearn RTR shell to a blue box frame? Well, I clipped off and filed off the little pins. Check this out. I pick it up. Not a problem. Totally made it. You know how? I was trying to figure out many different ways to do this. How did it work out? It worked out because the coupler pockets have screws that mount to the frame in threaded holes, and they hold the shell on with no problem whatsoever. I didn't have to go through any difficult work or anything to get that to work. And there it is. Final reveal. It is looking good. Let's get down here and get a good look at the front here. Looking nice. Did some number boards, a couple of little marker jewels, snow plow. Really nice. This one really turned out nice, and it runs so excellent. Awesome build. Good job.